Today I will show you Xiaomi Mijia Electric Toothbrush unboxing. Model name is T100 and voltage is 3.7 volts. Input volt is 5 volts, 0.5 ampere. Once recharging 30 days you can use, and USB recharging, IPX7 grade waterproof. This is manual. Only Chinese character. This is micro USB cable. This is brushy. This is main body. This button is on button. You can hear sound. You see button 1 press strong, and one more weak, and one more off. This LED is for power. You can see battery state LED. Green is high, and if this LED is red, it is low battery. And here is recharging port, micro USB. There are 3 types color: white, pink, and one more blue, but brush color is only white, and main body is different: white, pink, one more blue. And I'll show you how can combine brush and main body. Here is open like this. You can see this hole and this point. This point and this point, same position, and click. Like this. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and thumbs up. Thank you.